Third day of Hajj. First day of Eid 10th day al-Hajj. 1. In Muzdalifah. Offer Fajr prayer at its time. 2. Continue with takbir, tasbih, talbiyah and engage yourself in du'as. 3. Remain in Muzdalifah till sunrise. 4. After sunrise, depart for Mina. Keep reciting talbiyah. 5. After reaching Mina, go to Jamra al-Aqaba. Jamra al-Aqaba is the last and biggest pillar of the 3 stoning sites with 7 stones. 6. Stop reciting talbiyah before throwing the first stone. 7. Now do Rami by throwing 7 stones at Jamra al-Aqaba, reciting Allahu Akbar with every throw. Allahu Akbar, Allah is greatest. 8. On this day, only this Jamra, i.e. Jamra al-Aqaba, will be pelted or stoned. 9. After the Rami, pilgrims will now proceed to sacrifice animal. Slaughter your sacrifice, either personally or through the appointment of someone who will do it on your behalf. This is not mandatory for pilgrims performing Hajj Ifrad. When sacrificing an animal, recite the following dua. Bismillahi wallahu akbar. Allahumma minka walaka Allahumma taqabbal minni. 10. After sacrifice of animal, shave your head or trim some hair. Shaving, however, is preferable. Women will cut only a bit of their hair. 11. After shaving or trimming of the hair, you are partly come out from the state of ihram. Now you can put unusual dress. However, intimacy between spouses is not allowed. 12. Now go to Masjid al-Haram in Mecca to perform Tawaf al-Ifada of Kaaba. Tawaf will be performed as usual 7 circles of Kaaba. Prophet S.A.W. also pray Dhuhr prayer in Mecca or Kaaba. 13. After Tawaf, offer 2 rakats of Tawaf, wajib behind the Maqam Ibrahim, or wherever in Masjid al-Haram. 14. Now perform usual say of Safa and Marwa. 15. After performing say, drink plenty of Zamzam water. 16. Now go back to Mina and spend the night in Mina. Don't stay in Mecca overnight. 17. Third day of Hajj is complete.